across the bridge. I think.
Tree. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
You alright, Sam?
He's good. He's good. Concentrate on the hill. As long as you stay right there. Hey, where's the blanket?
Right here.
Stay over here.
Go sit on the blanket. You gonna go sit on the blanket? Sit on the blanket? No.
One more. Where is there? It is.
Back over here, Liam.
What you doing? see it shooting up? Lena, see him shooting up?
Okay, one more.
Try not to feed into her. Don't get tired of her mating. Those ones I like.
Love you. No, I don't. I want to board this.
Just watch them, baby. Enjoy them.
You can't see him with the head down. You're missing out. Look, look, look.
It sucks with the green and red, and they just look yellow on my camera.
Yeah, I know.
You're missing. Yeah, look up. You're missing it all. Aren't those amazing? You can't see them when your head's down. Very hot.
No, they're not. All right, Lena,
Lena,
we
that's
get the
enough.
point.
And they're all the same height.
Yeah. Probably about 10 feet at the most variation.
No, I think they're shooting it from the shipyard.
Yeah. I wish I'd known that ahead of time.
Bridge would have been perfect.
Yeah, it would.
Maybe that's why they didn't announce where it was.
It was announced. It was supposed to be over in this park. That bandstand's where they set it.
Missed announced it.
Or changed it last minute.
Well, I meant because it's not under super big bridge. Hey, those I haven't heard a big boom noise.
No.
Get me, or do they seem like they're left? I just want to see your head. Right here's good. I just need to see your head, okay? I don't want someone to come smash you. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Lots more. Please open. They're not getting you any numb, it ain't raining. Now watch the fireworks. Watch the fireworks. Thank you.
I think it's going to be too long to upload. What?
11 minutes.
I feel that in my chest.
Oh, it wasn't so much that as your cold fucking hands. That's like, woo.